and I have hashish. Boop, boop. Good morning. A new day has begun. Last night was not a night, so I didn't sleep that much. We met yesterday this awesome guy who showed us a place where we can get some food for free, which was really for free. And he loved us so much. After this we went to a coffee. He had 3 espresso with a lot of sugar. We are so close to go, and then he said, okay, you have to bring us some food. So we got a ton of baguette, meat inside and stuff, was good. And of course, an energy drink. So yes, energy drink at 12:30 at night, and a lot of food and a lot of sugar. So no sleep for me, no sleep for Wade. Oh, what a wonderful situation. And we danced here in town at the street with this guy to his TikTok videos. Yeah, things that happen during a travel. Awesome. It's the Wade performance. Oh, we're taking the motorcycles. Yes. And look at this. They are parked in a school.
Look, it's real jail.
It's real jail, yes. And we have Asterix and Obelix. We have those guys. And that's the Mercedes-Benz who's waiting here for restoration, I guess.
Hey, the body looks good on it.
Beautiful.
Almost no rust. Okay, no rust.
That's beautiful. Oh yes, Mercedes. Monsieur! Mercedes! That's cool. Tank bag and helmet is. Stay there. Here you go. Disco doors. Disco doors. Yes. He has some plans, I have no idea. Something with disco. Monsieur.
Disco.
Okay, now we dance to a song. And there's the organization going on. We will be TikTok stars. What? Yes, good. Good song. Go back, wait. One way. Now I have a very cool sunglasses. Something happened. After this we go straight in bed and then we have to stay. After a crazy night with barely any sleep and another round of dancing in the morning, Wade and I are finally hitting the road again. It got a little weird at times, since our host seems like he never wanted to leave us, but overall it was a pretty awesome experience. By the way, the hotel we stayed at had the cheapest room I've had on this whole trip, and that's how it's gonna stay. Won't get any cheaper, that's for sure. So it was 20 dirhams per person. That's like €2 something. That's crazy. Oh, by the way, we are already getting close to the hashish growing area up north in Morocco. Everyone we met that night works in that business picking the crops. It's a super poor area, even if they have this crazy export product. And again, nature, nature and nature. Beautiful. So people passing by and telling us, hey messieurs, come to my house. I live in this city and I have hashish. Yeah, that's interesting. So it seems that we are in a hashish area. We didn't notice, of course. So let's see if we find this guy. I have no Moroccan flag, finally.
Oh, you lucky bitch.
Yes, from Fuad. Fuad, shukran. Muy bellissimo. Ah yeah, and from now people can speak more English, more Spanish, and say prices in euros, right? It's awesome.
It's sweet.
Boop boop. Another speed bump. I think this was the guy. Is this the city?
Yeah.
Yes, and this is the guy with the taxi. So let's see what happens, right?
What are we doing with him?
We try to go to his house and then he will show us something, maybe.
Look,
Monsieur.
wait, this car is taxi.
Yes, your taxi.
This people is out in this village. You come to with me to house. Eat leather, smoke, okay?
No smoking, but
No,
let's see. So we follow you.
Yeah, because this is meant is Ramadan.
Yeah, it's Ramadan. Yes. Oh, the ladies.
Hi, bro.
No, not speak English.
What's your name? I'm Wayne. Wayne. You are?
Iman. Ihan.
Ahmed.
Ahmed.
Anas. Nice to meet you.
Nice. Sebastian.
Very beautiful.
Yes.
Bye, bro.
Au revoir.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, that's the guy with the taxi. We follow him, and we have all the kids. Ooh. Okay, we followed, and now we are somewhere. Let's see what happens. Situations. What a nice part of this thing. Like, first you get a soup and some figs? No, dates.
Dates. We got a date for this.
Huh?
This matriculation.
Ah, Darmstadt. Darmstadt. Frankfurt, Darmstadt.
England?
Oh, this is Michigan.
Michigan.
Yes, USA. Okay. Awesome. Okay, I turn around because I want to show you something. So to the left, those are the fields. Yes. Monsieur, au revoir. Down there, there's... okay, couldn't see it of course. But those are all fields in the summer. Yeah, so they showed us products from them. Let's say it smelled very nice. They produce it there, but of course it's forbidden here in Morocco. You know. Fish. Assalamu alaikum. The fish in the mountains. Alaikum. Ja, sehr gut. Come on, guys. I learned something from yesterday and today. A little bit more in the north, of course they do Ramadan, but it feels like they are more active, like stores are open. All the stores, not all the stores are open, but a lot of stores are open. They have markets and stuff. What's this? And yeah, that's different to the little bit more south. Interesting to see this. The bands. What an awesome funny situation with this guy there. The hashish guy. The hashish! School time. So look, a school with a view. That's awesome. This picture, look at this. Something's going on in the city. Dog is sleeping. Ah, not really. Yes. So weights, clutch still make a lot of problems, like some from time to time doesn't work, so you cannot accelerate. And we are thinking maybe it's clutch basket. Great tires. Yes, this will be fun for Ray because of his clutch. Hopefully he's there in a second. If not, we turn around. So I will go and check, or we will go and check. Oh, we can see him here. Okay, next second attempt. Oh yes! Come on, wait, blast it! Tuna! Yeah! 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 Oh yes, awesome! Ah, sleeping here. Here. Huh. Is there an option? No. Was it a good idea to drive here? Maybe, maybe not. No, was not a good idea. Because there's really no traction. What a beautiful spot to stuck in the dust, in the mud. Sorry, Frida. Do you stand like this? Yes, you stand. Awesome. La 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 la. So sadly, no, there are still straight stones. But I think Frida loved this place so much and will not move. I suck in the mud. And you can be my prince of... it's very muddy.
Is it muddy?
Uh-huh.
Not sandy.
It's wet.
I'm getting my helmet off for this though. Also, zip tie broke on the camel.
Again?
The
Okay.
plastic one.
Okay, come on. Let's make a small break because we can do it. Yes. The idea with the river was good, but doesn't work. So yes, still searching for a campsite, and now we are in more even area for a short time. Let's see. Look how beautiful green it is. And maybe where you mean?
Huh?
Where you mean again?
We can camp under the bridge or we can try over there.
You want to go with your clutch first, or should I go? Okay, let's see. Under the bridge is an option, but maybe there's something better. Let's see where this road, whatever it is, which place it brings us. Yes. Maybe over there, huh? Oh, that's a hole. There's some water, but we can try to, oops, turn around. Yes, yes, yes. And then we take this. Awesome. And then we go here. Oh, please no, come on, come on. No! Shitty tires are shit and a lot of mud. Okay. Can we do it like this? Let's try. And one and no. Even deeper. How deep? All deep. I found a mud.
Yeah, you got this on the mud.
Here it is. Wait. Come on, Fred. Yes, yes, yes. Awesome. Awesome. That is spot.
I'm all good.
Look at this. That's awesome. Look at the ladies parked and clean.
Put that in the book of great days of riding.
Of course, very great riding. And now Tuna is a little bit cleaner, right?
She's a little bit cleaner now.
Yes, good, good, good. So you don't have to clean her.
Hey, look at all these ants over here.
Oh, that's air.
Right on the anthill.
That's good.
Okay.
Awesome. Okay, cool. Nice, 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 nice. Bon voyage. Whew.